Hello everyone, welcome to Lee Dynasty Kitchen. Today another dishes, yummy Vietnamese dishes. Remember last time I have shared with you the grilled savory pancake with the 18 cake at a time. Very yummy, isn't it? And don't use a lot of oil at all. So today 7 cake at a time. I will share with you how to make the seafood Vietnamese pancake, the grilled one, so you don't have to use a lot of oil. So you can make more often to try, because we know that we use oil a lot, it will be no good. So I have created with my recipe, and with this machine we're gonna have a yummy seafood Vietnamese pancake. Very yummy. The one thing is you don't have to use a lot of oil. So come and join with me, Lee Dynasty Kitchen, today with the yummy grilled seafood Vietnamese pancake. Look at this delicious Vietnamese seafood pancake, the grilled one. No grease. Very yummy and look very pretty, isn't it? This is how you're gonna make, and you're gonna make more often because it's less oil to use. It's good for your health, and you not hesitate to make more. Okay, so let's go into the kitchen. We're gonna see how we're gonna do it. So first of all, we're gonna prepare the ingredient. Okay, so we will need 1 can of coconut milk equal with 400 ml, 1.5 cup of rice starch, 192 gram, 3/4 cup of the crispy fried powder mix, 1.5 cup of beer, and 1 cup of water, 2 eggs, half teaspoon of the sea salt, and half teaspoon of turmeric powder. All this we're gonna use to make the grilled pancake today. So we're gonna mix all the ingredients together: rice flour, the crispy flour, and the 2 eggs. So we mix it all well. All right, mix all well with the turmeric powder. We're gonna try half teaspoon first, and if we need more we can add on later, no problems. Okay, so now we mix all together to make sure all smooth powder. Add the water, add beer. If you don't like beer, just use soda water, but 1.5 cup is fine. You won't be wrong, so don't worry. That helps to make the cakes more crispy, because we don't use oil a lot. I'm gonna add a little bit of turmeric powder more to get the colors is more yellow. Okay, so it's up to you. Add the chopped green onion, add some of them, and then later on when the cakes will make, we're gonna use with the fried onion later on. Don't forget the coconut milk, 1 can of coconut milk. Alright, now mix this all well, then put it aside. We prepare some other stuff. So we're gonna make the seafood pancake today. So we use squid, we use scallop, and we use shrimp, of course. We peel the shrimp, wash it, and devein, nicely done. And then the squid and the scallop. Okay, so first of all we're gonna fry, with some little bit of oil and then garlic and onion, and then fry the shrimp. You don't need to marinate the shrimp because we eat with the fish sauce later on, but so just add on some flavor like the chicken powder, pepper, salt, a little bit, fried it, and then so don't have to be too salty, okay, because we eat with the fish sauce later on. Add a little bit more of the annatto oil if you like, to make the color more yellow, more beautiful. So it's the optional. Okay, check it out. We're gonna do for the next one. We're gonna fry the squid. Same thing with a little bit of onion, a little bit of garlic. Fry the squid. I use this kind of squid, so later on I cut to small pieces. It's easier and faster. But you can use any kind of the squid. A little bit of salt, a little bit of chicken powder, pepper, and that's it. Alright, and scallop, same thing. Fry garlic and onion. And add the scallop. Fry it fast. Okay? Add a little bit of flavor. Pepper, salt, and chicken powder. That's it. We are ready. I'll cut the shrimp in half after done because it will be enough for the size of the pancake. The squid we will cut in the small piece like that so it will be nicely, in the cake. Alright, it's ready. Let's do it. This is amazing gadget. 7 cake. Okay, very light, very easy to use. Turn it on the machine. Add a little bit of oil. Just a brush of oil like this. See, not much oil at all. Make sure you stir up the powder well from the bowl to the cup and to the machine. Add the powder to the machine, not to the full of the cup. So maybe 2 3/4 cups, something like that. Then we're gonna shake. We're gonna turn around the machine, so the powder will come up to the top of the cake, of the mold. Okay, because you don't want to eat too much of the dough. Add the filling, squid, scallop, and then shrimp. Press the shrimp down so it stays tight with the powder, with the mix. And that's it. We cover with the lid and come back in 1 minute. Okay? Now, from the other one, we just, same thing, we just brush it with a little oil, very little, as you can see. So, it's very nice. You don't have to worry too greasy. Make sure, please, to mix the, the powder well before you use it. Okay, and pour to the cup there, 2/3. Then we're gonna turn around the machine. Turn around the machine to make the powder come up on the top, because later on we can have the thin layer and very crunchy. At the meantime, at the other side, we take the lid off so the cake will cook nicely and loosen up around the cake there. Okay. Okay, we'll add the filling and cover with the lid. From the other side, see, now it's nice and cooked. We're gonna just turn around a little bit, turn upside down so the middle part will be, nicely cooked. If you wish, you can see it. Okay. Take off the lid from the other side so they can cook nicely, and make sure around the cake is loosened up. Add a little bit oil if you wish. Very little, see? Very little oil. Okay? Nice, see? Nice and crispy. Nice and crispy. Same thing the other side. We turn upside down a little bit here. Okay. Very nice and easy, eh? Okay, so I think it's time we're gonna take it down. Very nice and easy machine to be used. Easy to clean. Take it out. I use the skewer stick, and then just, take it out just like that. There we go. And we add a little bit oil if you like. You can use just only one machine. I use two today because I have the party tonight. I have the party later on with friends, so I make ahead and serve later. One thing is very nice is you can make early, and then when it's come to the time to eat, you just put back to the machine, and that's it. It's nice and crispy and warm, so you can prepare ahead when you have something like that. Okay, so that is very convenient. So normally with the traditional way, you have to stand right there, you have to cook right there, and it's a loss of oil, and it's not nice. I very seldom eat that because it's too much oil to use, but not anymore. With this method, with my recipe, with my creation, you can eat more often. You eat more and you not worry about too much oil. Take a look at this. Oh my, it's very yummy when you take it out. Look at that, nice and crunchy. Yummy. Just prepare some veggie and some pickled daikon and carrot, which is I have shared before. Please check it out and see that video. Look at how nice, very yummy, very delicious, and very easy to make. Very little oil to use, that one thing nice, and very easy to clean the machine. After a few times, just use the wet paper towel and then just wipe it off. Very nice. Very little oil, and add the powder on the cup. Okay, let's watch it again, shall we? Look at this, how yummy it is, the seafood pancake we just made. Grilled seafood pancake. Can you believe it? Nice, crunchy, and no oil to use. Very little oil to use. You have a delicious pancake to eat. I hope you like my share today, and if you do, please give my video the thumbs up, and don't forget to like, share so everybody can make this yummy dish with no hassle, no oil. Okay? Thank you very much for your support. For you who understand Vietnamese, would you please check my channel? I have the Vietnamese channel, so you can, stop by and check it out. Please don't forget to subscribe Lee Dynasty Kitchen so I can have, more chance to create and share a lot of yummy Vietnamese dishes to you so you can enjoy at home. Thank you very much for watching the video again, and I hope to see you next time.